Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Plaid. Review my usage experience. Plaid Review My Usage Experience seems to be a service focused on analyzing and summarizing user reviews for various products or services. Its likely target audience is consumers looking for aggregated opinions and insights before making a purchase. Key features likely include sentiment analysis, review summarization, and potentially competitor comparisons. Their website likely provides details about supported platforms, pricing, and specific features. The service probably aims to provide easily digestible insights from vast amounts of user feedback, offering a faster and more efficient way to gauge public opinion than manually sifting through countless reviews. This could be particularly useful for products with a large online presence. It's unclear what specific technology they utilize, but it probably involves natural language processing and machine learning. Availability would likely depend on the platforms or products supported. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Plaid. Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly simple. I just entered the product I was interested in, and the service pulled in reviews from several sources. The interface is quite clean and intuitive. You can filter reviews by star rating, date, and even specific keywords, which is helpful for focusing on particular aspects. I tested it with a new smartphone I was considering, and the summary it generated accurately reflected the general consensus about the phone's camera quality and battery life. Performance was generally good. The analysis happened quickly, and the summaries were concise and informative. I did run into a small issue where the service didn't recognize a less popular online retailer, but that's understandable. I had a quick question about the supported platforms and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how clearly the sentiment analysis was presented, visually showing the positive and negative aspects. The standout feature for me was definitely the keyword filtering, as it allowed me to quickly isolate reviews mentioning specific features I cared about. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would be convenient for quick product checks on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Plaid. Review My Usage Experience. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and saved me a significant amount of time compared to reading reviews manually. That's my overview of Plaid. Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.